So let me show you step by step how to download your backup files from your Google Drive to your computer. So after you open up your browser like this, go ahead and type in drive.google.co.web, and then you open the first link. After you open the first link, so from there now it will ask you now to select the Gmail account you want to sign in. I'll select this one. After you select the Gmail account, so the interface will look like this for you. So the first thing you should do, you click on this My Drive. Under this My Drive, here you'll be able now to see all your files. And if you click on this computer again, so under the computer, you'll be able to see all your files as can see like this one. So now, if you want to get the backup, you can just find the files under this My Computer, or you go to this My Drive and find the file that you want to download. So let's say I want to download this one, this folder with anything inside the folder. So or if you want to download just a specific file, so you can go ahead now and find the file you want to download. Let's say I want to download this folder. Right click on the folder, click on download, and allow it now to finish downloading. After the folder has finished downloading, so you just go ahead and click on this download button under your browser. So here is it now. After it finished downloading, click on the folder to locate where the file been. So now here is the file. Right click on the file and then go to this where it says go to cut. After you take all the file, you can go to your desktop. So you can paste in the file inside your desktop, and from there now you can right click on the file again and then go to this extract all. So go to this extract. So after it finish extracting, so as you can see now, here is now the folder. If you open the folder, here you'll be able now to see all your files inside the folder. And that's it guys on how to download backup files from Google Drive to computer. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.